Hi, welcome to the Eastern Shore MarketWatch, brought to you by RBI, Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. We're going to dig into the most recent numbers from the Eastern Shore housing market, which includes the counties of Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. Despite some choppy waters in August, there have been noteworthy shifts on both sides of the closing table. Buyer activity is moving back in line with historical trends. Falling supply indicates that market balance is realigning towards neutral. Locally, both sales and prices posted positive movement over August 2010, but do the rest of the numbers provide reason for optimism? Pending sales increased 0.4% from August 2010 to arrive at 226 for the month. Sales volumes are back in line with normal historical trends for this time of year. Keep in mind that the 2010 slowdown extended into the second half of the year as Uncle Sam's Credit changed summer and fall buyers into spring chickens. The gains in buyer activity meant fewer active listings were left on the market. Inventory levels were down 14.6% to 3,405 units. Assuming that trend continues, it should reduce any oversupply issues down the road. Prices were up from last August, which could reflect fewer distressed homes selling, more high-end homes selling, or a mix of both. The median sales price increased 5.7% to $223,500. A few short years ago, sellers in many markets were faced with steep competition from bank-owned properties. They found themselves discounting the price of their nest egg to make their properties competitive in home searches. Fueled by a mixture of caffeine, low interest rates, and a couple of tax credits, value-minded consumers began absorbing distressed housing inventory. The issue has eased somewhat, particularly in the most desirable neighborhoods. Currently, on average, sellers are receiving 87.3% of their list price, up from the 86.9% they saw last August. The economy bobbed along just this side of positive in August. Consumer confidence, which often affects housing demand, showed some slack even as personal income and spending both increased modestly. Low interest rates, declining supply, and stabilizing price movement are beacons of hope in the harbor, but the recovery still needs wind in its sails. That's the Eastern Shore Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.